Now paper number 12, CGL Tier-II. Now in this question numbers 31 onwards. Now start chesara question number 31. Now tell me what is the answer to this one 31st. Now in this question number 31, select the correct combination of mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the sign marks and make the given equation correct. Then starting with the first one. My choice 1 and start chedama. Now if you start with choice 1 and division, now this is equal to. Next one chappan into. And next one plus. Now this is division and this is minus. Now then we'll 3,900 and plus only 2 will be subtracted from this one. And it cannot be your answer. Second, 100 equals to minus plus division and into. Now 120 divided by 6 is 20 and 20 into 2 40 and 40 plus 140. 140 minus 39. How much is that? 101. Then choice 2, question number 31. Then 32nd. Now it is based on number series. Now here what is the difference between these two? 361 and 280. What is the difference? Minus 81. Here the difference is minus 81. Next 280 and 216 minus 64. 81 and 64 LR squares. 9 square, 8 square. Now this is 7 square. And next one must be 6 square. 167 minus 36. What is the difference we have? 7 minus 6, that is 3. 131, choice 3. 32. Then 33. Now here it is based on letter analogy CSZ and EPD. EP and D. And in the same way MHD, then what should be the next one? What was the answer? Now C and this one. C and E, what is the difference we have? Plus 2. S and P minus 3. Z and D plus 4. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 4. And here again plus 2 minus 3 and plus 4. Then M plus 2 O. H minus 3E. T plus 4X. OEX, choice 1, question number 33. Then 34. And 3 plus 81 divided by 7 and so on. Now which two numbers we need to interchange? Then coming to choice 1, 81 and 38 if you have here. Now 38 divided by 7. One can divide out the and again 4 and 7. This is good division out. Hence choice 1 is ruled out. And 4 and 7. Now if you check out 4 and 7. Ikkada 4 vastundi, ikkada 7 vastundi. Dini valla emana use unda? Ledhu. Next one, choice 3. Now in choice 3, now choice 3, 7 and 3. Now 7 and 3, this is 7 and this is 3. 7 and 3. Now 81 divided by 3, and that's 27. Now 7 plus 27 into 4 minus 38. 27 into 4, and those are 108. 108 minus 38, 70. 70 plus 7, 77. By interchanging 7 and 3, you are getting the equation. Then coming to 35. Now in this 35 in a certain code language, then how will marvelous be written in that one? Marvelous. Now in this song is excellent, music is marvelous. Here, marvelous is given here. Next, easy is common between these two. As easy is common, and the code that is common is NAR. The code for easy is NAR. And next one, inka manaki music milipend. My music, I enjoy music. And music is common between these two. As music is common, then tell me which is common between these two. Edi common I enjoy music and music is marvelous. Then tell me which is common. IAN is common. Inka migilipindi ASR. Now ASR is the code for this marvelous. That is choice for question number 35. Then next one, 36. Select the number from among the given options that can replace the question mark. That is finding the next number in the series. And 40 and 52, tell me what is the difference we have 12. And 52 and 65, the difference is sum is 13. Now here the difference is 15. Next one is 18. 12 and 13 plus 1. 13 and 15 plus 2 plus 3. Next one all plus 4. 18 plus 4, 22. 98 plus 22, 120. 120, that is choice for question number 36. Then 37th one. Now Hanish is the father of Naina. And Hanish, now this Hanish is the father of whom? Anish is the father of Naina. Anish is the father of Naina and paternal grandfather of Sunny. Paternal means father's father and paternal grandfather of whom? Of Sunny. Then Tony is the brother of Naina and Tony is the brother of Naina and father of Sunny. And this Tony is the brother of Naina and father of Sunny and Ritu. And Ritu is the only daughter of Tony and Angeline. Then how is Angeline related to Hanish? Hanish's son's wife. Son's wife is daughter-in-law. That is choice 3, question number 37. The next one, 38. Now there are some 7 friends seated around a circular table facing towards the center. 7 friends seated around a circular table shifting towards the center. Ends 1, 2, 3 and 7. Then in this, G and A are sitting immediate left and immediate right of C respectively. Now G and A are sitting to the immediate left and right of C. C ikkada unnadu anukondi. C ki immediate left, who is that person? G. And C is immediate right, A. And G and A are sitting to the immediate left and right of C respectively. F is sitting south to the left of C. 1, 2, 3, F is here. F is south to the right of C. A and E are immediate neighbors of D. A and E are immediate neighbors of whom? D. Now who is the person left over? B. Then who is sitting second to the right of F? F ki second right evaruna cheppandi? G. G, that is choice 2, question number 38. Saripinda? Now the one who is sitting to the immediate right of, immediate right of F kada? Immediate right of F evaru cheppandi? B. B, that is choice 1. 38 choice 1. Then 39th one. Now we need to find out the odd pair here. Now in this, I, M, Q, U, Y. I and M, what is the difference here? Plus 4. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 21. Plus 4, 25. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, and plus 4 is the difference. 4. And here S and W, 19 and 23, 4. And 23 and 27, the difference is 4. Here again 4 and 4. Then choice the N R V, 4. And N and R 4. R and V 4. And here again the difference is 4. And next one C and G 4. G and L, the difference is 5. L and P 4 and P and U 5. Then what is the answer here? Choice 4. And except in choice 4. In the remaining, the difference between the letters is 4 is common. 39th one. Then coming to 40 here and soup. S-O-U-P soup. And it is coded as X-U-B-X. X-U-B-X. And in the same way, how will rice be coded in this? Now S and X. Now tell me what is the difference between S and X? 19 and 24 plus 5. Now here it is plus 6, plus 7, and this is plus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 are added. And similarly to this rice, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. 18 plus 5, 23. 9 plus 6, 15. 3 plus 7, 10. 5 plus 8, 13. WOJM. WOJM choice 3, question number 40. Then next 41st. Now in this, it is based on letter sequence. How many elements are there altogether? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 can be written as 3 into 7, 7 into 3. Now 3 into 7 divided chestunnukoni, you are not getting a sequence. And 7 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Saripinda leda? Then, ikkada T ostundi, ikkada V ostundi. Kanuka ikkada em ravali? U. And next one. PKO is common. Ikkada kuda PKO common. Hence PK and O. SA PKO. Now SA PKO, SA PKO. Saripinda leda? Now this is R. Now R is here. Now the first elements T, U, V. First elements are increased by 1. The remaining as it is. TRSA PKO, URSA PKO, VRSA PKO. Then tell me what is the element that is missed out here? Now which is missing? Choice 1 is missing 40. R. Ikkada T undi, ikkada V undi. Ikkada T, V. Mari ఏ letter miss అవుతుంది? First letter check చేయి. T and V. And one letter is missing. What should be that letter? U is that letter. T, U, V, W and so on. Clear? And 41. Then coming to ఇంతవరకు మనకి ఏంటంటే same sequence repeat అయ్యేది. ఇక్కడేమో one of the letter is increased by 1. Then next one, dreamy. The code given to the word dreamy is 132. Now 132 is neither a square nor a cube. Next change it. Then take the place values. D value and the 4. Next one 18. 4 plus 18 22 plus 5 27 plus 1 28. 28 plus 13 41 plus 25. 41 plus 25 ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి 66. Now 66 నుంచి 132 ఎలా వస్తుంది into 2 అవుతుంది. Now sum of the place values into 2. And similarly good. 15 plus 15 30. 37 plus 4 41 into 2 82. Sum of the place values multiplied with 2. And in the same way super 19 plus 21 ఎంత చెప్పండి 40. And 40 plus 16 and 56 plus 5 61. Now 61 plus 18 and 61 plus 18 ఎంత రావాలి 79. 79 into 2 158, that is choice to 42. సరిపోయిందా next 43. Now in this 43 syllogism, some TVs are LEDs. Now these are the TVs that are LEDs, TV and LED. And in the same way, all LED are screen. This entire LED is a part of screen. And all these TVs are bright. Then first one, all bright are LED, that is ruled out. Some bright are TVs, that is definitely true. And some screens are LED, that is also true. And both the conclusions that are true, both these two are affirmative. They will be true forever, no need to check out once again. Then what is your answer? Only 2 and 3, choice to 43. The next one 44. 44 it is based on letter series. Now check out the first letters. A and F plus 5, 6 plus 5 11, plus 5 16, 21 plus 5 26. First letter is Z. First letter Z. Next one second letter A E I O U. A E I O U. And again it must be a. Second letters are vowels in the increasing order. Now Z and E among the given choices we have only choice 1. 44. Then coming to this 45. Now 45 chesara ledha. Now 192. How will you get 192 with the help of 16 and 8? 16 plus 8 24. 24 into 8. Saripinda ledha. 16 plus 8 and the 24. And 16 minus 8 and the 8. 24 into 8 and the 192. Or now a plus b into a minus b into a square minus b square again. Now 16 square and 16 square minus 8 square and now 256 minus 64, that is 192. And in the same way 22 square 484 minus 169, the difference is sum is 315. Then and 11 square minus 1 square, how much is that? 120, choice to question number 45. Then 46. Now 46 chesara. And 3 years ago, the ratio of the ages of these two persons, all those two Vikas and Ash, was 5:1. 3 years ago. After 3 years, 3 years ago and after 3 years means the difference is almost 6 years. Now 6 years, what is the difference? Now 5p plus 6 by 1p plus 6. And together equals to how much? Equals to 1:2. And together 2:1. Then what is the ratio here? 5p plus 6 equals to and 2p plus 12. Now p equals to how much? P equals to 2 years. Saripinda? Now ఇక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది? Plus 12. Then now what is the value here? 3p equals to 6. Now 3p equals to 6 and p equals to 2. Finally we have got p equals to. If p equals to 2, then present age is p plus 3. P and the 2. 2 plus 3 is so much? 5 years. 5 years, that is choice 4. Present age of whom? Present age of Anshu adigaru. Anshu present age anta cheppani? P plus 2. P plus 3. P is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. Then next one, question number 47. Now in this 47, 84 and 23. Now 84 and 23, how vastund cheppani? 84 divided by how much? And 84, if you divide this by 4, 21. And there 21 plus 2 divided by 4 plus 2. And similarly 240 divided by 4. And 60 plus 2, 62, choice 1. Divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 4 plus 2, 47. Then coming to this 48, then meaningful order. Now what is the meaningful order in this one? And first, obligation and will be applied. Then after this application you have applied, then scrutiny will be done. Then they will call for interview. Once interview, they will give the offer letter. And finally you will join in this one. The order is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 48. Then 49th one, Sienna started walking from her house towards south. A is the starting point. From here she walks how many meters? 300 meters towards south. Then she turned left and walks for 150 meters. From here 150 meters towards her left. Again she turned to her left and walks 100 meters. ఇక్కడ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి 100 meters. And in which direction is she walking now? ఇప్పుడు ఎటు పక్క నడుస్తుంది చెప్పండి. She is walking towards north. North, that is given in choice 1, question number 49. 49 it is choice 1. And 58th, now 99 and 162. Am I allowed to ask 99 and 162? And now this 99 can be written as 9 square plus 9 square. Now squares. 9 square plus 9 square, the digits are 9 and 9. 9 square plus 9 square is how much? 81 plus 81, 160. Some other squares are the digits. 2 square plus 4 square, 16 plus 4, 20 raval. Now 6 square, 36 plus 9, 45. And 6 square, 36 plus 16, 52, choice 2. So when the choice 3, some other squares are the digits. Then we need to find out the mirror image to this one. Now tell me what is the mirror image to this? My mirror image chesara leda. Then tell me what is the choice to this one mirror image. Now mirror image, first percentage. Now percentage, now choice 2 is gone, isn't it? Then next one, and percentage O. And percentage and O, and this is choice 2 ruled out. And next, and V, and V ki E around E in the same order. And here, E in the same order. Now we are left with these two. Then out of this one, then what is left out? Only choice 3, only choice 3, 51. Then 52, finding the next figure. Now this flag, if you observe here, from here to here, it is rotated by 45 degrees anti-clockwise. And from here to here 90 degrees, here to here 135 degrees, 45, 90, 135, next 180, 180, hence this arrow must be, this flag must be like this, and again it must point towards like this. Only choice 1, question number 40, 52. Then 53, paper folding and paper cutting. Now ikkada nunchi ikkadiki pike folding, then it must be open like this, that is vertical. And water image. Water image, this triangle will be same as it is. Now this circle will be as it is, but as this triangle will be like this. Now to this one, mirror image. Ikkada nunchi ikkadiki ila fold and mirror image, same elements. Now, and this will be like this. Avuna kada? And this left hand side undi kada, this will be right hand side, and this is circle. And ikkada circle ravali. Now here it is arrow, and this will be as it is. Now tell me what is the choice we have in this one? Choice 3 is the answer. Saripena? Choice 3? 53. Then 54, now we need to find out the element that is opposite to 1. 1 ka opposite annadu. Now in this type of folding, man cheppukundi em cheppandi, every time alternate are always opposite to each other. 6, 4 opposite, 1, 2 opposite, 3, 5 opposite. Deniki opposite adgadu 1. 1 ka opposite 2, choice 1, 54. Then in this one 55. Now in this 55 we need to find out the element, that figure that is embedded into this. Ma cheppandi em vastundi maniki. Now the figure that is embedded into this. Now ee figure vastundi ikkada first one. Now first one, if you observe here, there is a line which is touching here. Kani ikkada nunchi ikkada touch line ledu. Hence first one is ruled out. And second one, if you observe here, second ikkada kada teesukovali, and ikkada teeskunte this is fine, and ikkada manaki line undadu. That is not present here. Choice 2 is again ruled out. Then coming to choice 3. Ma choice 3 avutunda. Now in choice 3, if you observe here, let us start from here. Now this is the second line, isn't it? Now from here it is moving like this, isn't it? And again it is moving like this. Vastunda leda? Choice 3. Then are you finding this choice 3 in this one or not? Yes? Ma third figure vachinda leda? Then then ikkada nunchi teesukundam. No, ikkada nunchi teesukondi. No, this is the figure we have. And next one, ikkada nunchi ikkada cross ayindi. Avuna kada? Then again it is extended up to here like this. Then choice 3, 55. The next one 56. Ma 56 cheptara? And 56. Now 22 into 10, 210, minus 3. 15 into 4, 60, minus 3. 19 into 7, 133. 3 minus 3, 130, that is choice 1. Product of these two minus 3. Then 57, and again letter series H plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, first let is X. R and L, 18 and 12, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, 26 minus 6 is T, XT. And P and X. And 16 plus 8, 24, plus 6, and plus, and 6 and 14. And 16 and 24. And those in Japan, 16 and 24, X and T are the first two letters. 16 and 24 plus 8. And here 24 and 32 plus 8. Saripenda leda? 32. And here next one 32 plus 8. 14 plus 8, 22. TXTV. Now XTV, where can we find this one? Choice 2, question number 57. Then 58, there are some 5 friends seated around a circular table. And 5 friends seated around a circular table like this. And all the persons are facing the center. Nina is to the immediate right of Havi. Havi is here. Nina is to the immediate right. And Yati is out to the left of Havi. 1, 2, 3, Hati. And who is this one? Yati. Now Yati is out to the left of Havi. Jatini is not adjacent to Yavi, and Jatini is at this place. Then who is the person left over? Joe. Then who is seated second to the left of Joe? That is Nina, that is choice 3, 58. Then 59th one. Now if the numbers 3 and 9 are interchanged, then which of the following will be correctly balanced? Now which two must be interchanged here? 3 and 9. Now 9 is here and 3 is at this place. Now tell me, are we getting the answer or not? 9 divided by 15 plus 21. Into 3. Now 3 and this will be 5. Now it is not perfectly divisible, that is ruled out. The next one, and 3 and 9 are divisible, 9 and 3. Then next here again, because 9 and 3. Now this is 9 and this will be 3. Now in this one 26 plus 9 into 15 by 300. 15 by 3 into 3 1 3 5. 9 into 5 45. 45 plus 26. And minus 14. Is it equals to 108? No. And choice 2 is again ruled out. Then choice 3. Now 3 and 9 if you are interchanging. Now this is 3 and this is 9. Now in this 24 minus 12 by 3 and 12 by 3 is 4 plus 9 minus 7. Now 24 plus 9, 33. 33 minus 11, 22. 22, that is choice 3. Then finally question number 60. Now in the 60th, now the average score of Arsu before the start of the men's national series was 40. And in the men's national series, now of 8 matches, his total score 480. And what is the average here? Now on and average he has scored 60. And there the 480 divided by 8, 60. And find the total number of matches played by him till date. If his new average after the series is 50. After the series, ఎంత పెరిగింది చెప్పండి? అంటే 10 పెరిగింది. జనరల్గా 60 ఈ ఒక్క సిరీస్లో 80 మార్క్స్కి 60 వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఇంతకుముందు 40 నుంచి 50. 40 నుంచి ఎందుకు వెళ్ళిపోయాడు 60 అండ్ సడన్గా 50. 50 ఎందుకు తగ్గింది? బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రీవియస్ మ్యాచెస్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది? ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది కదా. కనుక ఎన్ని మ్యాచెస్? ఇక్కడ 8 మ్యాచెస్ ఆడి ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని మ్యాచెస్ ఆడాలి? 8 మ్యాచెస్. క్లియర్? ద టోటల్ మ్యాచెస్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్. బికాజ్ 50 ఈజ్ ద మీన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ 40 ఉంది కదా ఫస్ట్ మనకి. నా 40 ఆ మ్యాచెస్ ఎన్నో మనకు తెలియదు. 40x అండ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు హౌ మచ్? దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అయిపోయింది? 40x ప్లస్ 40xకి ఎంతకి ఈక్వల్ చేశారు? ప్లస్ 480. ఈక్వల్ అయితే కదా 50కి వచ్చింది. నా 50 ఇంటూ హౌ మచ్? 50 ఇంటూ x ప్లస్ 8. అంతేనా? దెన్ 40x ప్లస్ 480, ఇక్కడ 50x ప్లస్ 400. దెన్ నా 500, 50 into 8. ఇక్కడ ఎంత అయిపోయింది చెప్పండి? అండ్ 400. ఇక్కడ 480. Now 80 equals to 10x. And x equals to how much? X equals to. And how many matches were there? Played earlier? 8 matches. Then now all together till this date అన్నాడు 8 plus 8, 16 matches were played. And this is about question number 60. Now paper number 12, CGL Tier-II. Done? And next is pure maths, quant.